Welcome back to the mini world of dreams. Today we are going to look at the most important concepts from the chapter Natural Resources. In this video, you'll get 30 top MCQs that will help you revise quickly and score better in your exams. Let's begin. 1. Which of the following is a renewable resource? A. Coal, B. Petroleum, C. Solar energy, D. Natural gas. Answer: C. Solar energy. 2. Which of these is a non-renewable resource? A. Wind, B. Water, C. Coal, D. Sunlight. Answer: C. Coal. 3. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer: C. Carbon dioxide. 4. The main source of fresh water on Earth is A. Oceans, B. Rain, C. Lakes, D. Glaciers. Answer: B. Rain. 5. Which soil is best for cotton cultivation? A. Black soil, B. Red soil, C. Laterite soil, D. Alluvial soil. Answer: A. Black soil. 6. Which resource is known as fossil fuel? A. Wind, B. Coal, C. Soil, D. Air. Answer: B. Coal. 7. The process of water falling back to earth as rain is called A. Evaporation, B. Transpiration, C. Precipitation, D. Condensation. Answer: C. Precipitation. 8. Which of these is an abiotic resource? A. Animals, B. Plants, C. Water, D. Humans. Answer: C. Water. 9. Which of the following is a biotic resource? A. Minerals, B. Rocks, C. Sunlight, D. Plants. Answer: D. Plants. 10. Which layer of the atmosphere contains ozone? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Thermosphere. Answer: B. Stratosphere. 11. Which is the largest source of fresh water storage on Earth? A. Rivers, B. Lakes, C. Glaciers, D. Ponds. Answer: C. Glaciers. 12. Deforestation mainly leads to A. More rainfall, B. Soil erosion, C. Rich biodiversity, D. Clean air. Answer: B. Soil erosion. 13. Which energy is obtained from moving air? A. Solar energy, B. Wind energy, C. Hydro energy, D. Geothermal energy. Answer: B. Wind energy. 14. Which natural resource forms fossil fuels? A. Dead plants, animals, B. Minerals in rocks, C. Salt water, D. Freshwater fish. Answer: A. Dead plants, animals. 15. The main cause of water pollution is A. Clean water, B. Industrial waste, C. Forests, D. Wind. Answer: B. Industrial waste. 16. Which of the following helps in water conservation? A. Burning garbage, B. Deforestation, C. Rainwater harvesting, D. Air pollution. Answer: C. Rainwater harvesting. 17. Which soil is formed by rivers? A. Black soil, B. Alluvial soil, C. Laterite soil, D. Desert soil. Answer: B. Alluvial. 18. Excess use of groundwater leads to A. Heavy rainfall, B. Water table decrease, C. Soil formation, D. More vegetation. Answer: B. Water table decrease. 19. Natural gas is mainly composed of A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Methane, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer: C. Methane. 20. Which energy is obtained from hot rocks inside Earth? A. Solar energy, B. Wind energy, C. Geothermal energy, D. Tidal energy. Answer: C. Geothermal energy. 21. Biodiversity means A. Only animals, B. Variety of life, C. Only plants, D. Only microorganisms. Answer: B. Variety of life. 22. The largest ecosystem on Earth is A. Forest, B. Desert, C. Ocean, D. Grassland. Answer: C. Ocean. 23. Which activity causes air pollution? A. Planting trees, B. Vehicle smoke, C. Walking, D. Studding. Answer B. Vehicle smoke. 24. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. 25. Which energy resource is used in hydropower plants? A. Falling water. B. Sunlight. C. Wind. D. Coal. Answer A. Falling water. 26. What is the main component of soil? A. Plastic. B. Rocks minerals. C. Oxygen. D. Metal. Answer B. Rocks minerals. 27. The process of water turning into vapor is called A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Melting. D. Freezing. Answer B. Evaporation. 28. Which resource is essential for all living beings? A. Plastic. B. Water. C. Metals. D. Rocks. Answer B. Water. 29. The sun is the main source of A. Chemical energy. B. Light heat energy. C. Nuclear energy. D. Wind pollution. Answer B. Light heat energy. 30. Which practice helps protect natural resources? A. Wasting energy. B. Recycling. C. Burning trees. D. Dumping waste. Answer B. Recycling.